How to disable chat in League of Legends. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To disable the chat in League of Legends, I'm going to show you two of the tips that you can do to mute or disable the chat. Starting off, what you can do is you can actually change the in-game setting. In the League of Legends, once you have started your gameplay, just head over and click on the setting gear icon. That will open up the Options tab. From here, check out the option of Interface. Now in the interface, right in the chat option, make sure to expand the option. Over here, you will have the pre-made option that you need to tap on. That is pre-made only, that is party option, which will help you to meet or which will help you to mute or disable the chat in League of Legends. Another thing that you can do is you can actually give a command in League of Legends to control this chat. What you can do is you can type in the command in the chat box that is slash full mute, which will mute all of the text and ping from all of the players for the duration of the current game session. Or you can type in slash ignore, which will mute a player during the game session. And if you wish to mute yourself, just type in slash mute self. Once you do this, you'll be able to disable or mute the chat in League of Legends. Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.